Want to enjoy your favorite meal without breaking the bank? Let's dive into how to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. First, open the Uber Eats app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, browse through the restaurants and select the food you want to order. Add the items to your cart just like you normally would. Next, head to your cart. You'll see a summary of your order. Review everything to make sure it's correct, and feel free to edit the items or their quantities if necessary. Once you're ready to pay, tap the checkout button. Here's the key part. Before confirming your order, you'll see the payment section. Tap on the payment option to view your available payment methods. Within the payment options screen, find your Uber Cash balance if you have funds. If you do not see it right away, swipe your finger and select your Uber Cash balance to indicate Uber Cash as your preferred payment method. Now, ensure that Uber Cash is selected before finalizing your order. The app will usually prioritize using your Uber Cash balance first. Once you're satisfied with your order, tap Place Order to confirm. You're all set. Your order will be processed, and your delicious meal is on its way. Paid for with your Uber Cash. Enjoy your meal. And remember to use Uber Cash to save on your next Uber Eats adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.